Oh,
bugger.
some of this is quite a challenge.
Too right.
Isn't it?
Even the steps are huge. Going down. Oh, God.
Wow.
Blimey.
Getting closer. I can hear it.
Passing places, folks. Oh, it's all right. No, honestly, we're slow. You haven't seen slow till I come back up.
See the bottom.
Yeah. Starting to get wet, Steve. This one is a little bit sturdier, this one.
Nearly there.
I'm not taking it behind.
No, I'll wait with you. We'll find a rock that I can sit on.
Oh
Here.
God. Slippery.
Yeah.
We're
Yeah.
here.
Don't ask me the name of it, but the fourth waterfall, the one you can get under, and a very rocky outcrop which you stumble across. And there's a queue for people to get under the waterfall. Because it's so busy, David and I take a seat and watch everything that's going on, while Steve is practicing with his camera in amongst all the people to try and get some of those really beautiful arty-farty water shots. Question is, will he succeed? We have been behind the waterfall before, so we don't feel the need to go again, which is really good, seeing as 10 zillion other people are here.
It's a tad busy, and everywhere you look, loads and loads of people, but it's kind of a bank holiday. What do you expect? There's even people crossing the river, look.
Because I don't want to fall down. Loads of people have fallen down today. And we've got Jess, who clearly doesn't like it. So,
We'll meander back up.
we're going to meander. Yeah,
Climb back
that
up.
makes it sound like it's easy. Meander. As Fiona huffs and puffs very slowly all the way up.
But it is well worth coming, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not very often you see things like waterfalls like that. Well worth it.
So I'm more anxious about the long walk back up.
What do you want? You know to me.
She doesn't like it.
Who
Too
wants
many
to go?
people, too many rocks, too many dogs.
All right. We'll see you at the top, shall we?
Yeah, see you at the top.
We made it. So we saw one waterfall and then went behind another one, more close. I didn't go behind, but you kind of had a look. Thought about it, but the queue's massive. And then we climbed up all the way up these massive steps.
And
no
steps is,
doubt-
yeah, some of them are like mountains on their own.
Well, some of them are not steps, they're hurdles.
My legs gave out on
They're
one.
hurdles.
Yeah.
Isn't it? And obviously they chopped down all these trees, like, and put in benches and that for people to sit at.
For all the people to recover when I've gone up the
I'm not
steps.
surprised, but I got me protein bar, look. So
I got mine.
we'll have a rest.
Eat our bars. Then went our way back.
Jess has had a drink. I think she's polished all that off already, look.
Nearly.
Bless her, I bet she was thirsty. But anyway, next stop, back to the car.
So Gwan Hepsty, 55 minutes away. Don't think I'll tell her that. And that in Welsh is the name of that waterfall, and to the left of it, that's the picture I was trying to get. Well, I did too bad. So we'd been going for about half an hour, and there's an awful lot of up. Okay, are you ready for this, Fiona?
Mum. How are you doing? Oh, well. Okay.
And so if you want, you can actually go into the car park and then walk straight to this fourth waterfall.
What's I say? 20 minutes to the car park. Do you reckon I better tell her that? Maybe not. Well, that obviously is what they turn into and then grow up to big ones. How are we doing? Oh, we're sat down, but we are, what, marker point 3 is coming up, so we're nearly at the end of the car park.
That's right, you're not seeing things. That man is taking that cat for a walk, and the rest of the cat is in that rucksacky thing which is round his neck.
And what? There's 2 machines, aren't there?
Yeah.
There's one that's cash and one that's card.
The card one is really slow.
How is it?
Yeah.
And obviously 3 portaloos, look.
Yeah. And there's a little caravan around there that sells cups of tea.
Oh, so there is. Hey, do you reckon you might sell something else apart from cups of tea?
That's all actually.
Like ice creams. Should we go and have a look?
Now for this Mercedes, he's got to wait anyway. Okay.
They last all day, so why not? You're
Okay.
welcome. Now, if you remember the roads on the way in, we were lucky, weren't we? This is not the case this time.
I don't think we're going to get past him. Well, he can go back a bit.
Yeah, we'll make that.
Get through him. He needs to move forward a bit, surely. Oh. No chance. You can't get through there, can he? Bloody tractor just started.
That's right, a horse and cart and animals and a grid. Great.
So it looks like a lorry's coming down here, believe it or not. I think the moral of this story is that if you want to avoid the parting place fiasco, get there early. Phew, white lines, at last. And now we're back. And I do believe that we may, just may, have knackered Jess out. Yes, look at her. And now, overnight, doesn't it look pretty? What you can't see here is the massive thunderstorm that then arrived, but it didn't really matter because we were up in the morning and off, back to Swindon. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the little bell.